It is very handy. Then I'll show you how to use it. Now let's have another field called average. F average. This one, make it real.
You average as a double.
Yeah, you can use it as a doublet. Double is big. It's a big number. Now let us go to the public there and then define our methods. The first one is normally a constructor.
Constructor create.
Good. Constructor create. Now the constructor create, it is going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields as parameters. So open there. For parameters, I normally say use a P prefix. Then say surname. This is a parameter. I've got 2 strings, isn't it? P name. These are strings. Then we go to F grade, P grade, this one is short int. You get it. We separate with semicolons. What is the next property? Okay, P student marks. This one is T marks. And then the last one, which is a rel. Right, terminate. What I normally do, after creating the constructor, we implement it. You can click on constructor, hold Shift Control C. Shift Control C. So we are implementing it here. Okay, let's have a comment here. Look at that comment that I put there. Okay. It will tell you where the error is when you do Shift Control C. Now, can you copy the following fields? Copy them down here.
You look at 5,000 characters.
Don't run after copying. Then for surname, let me show you. For surname, copy P surname. And then you assign it like this. Okay. So on P surname, if I put Svanda, Svanda is going to be assigned to the private F surname field of the class T students. Carry on with all the rest of the fields. Sorry, I didn't get your question, Leron. Okay, you are talking about inheritance on constructor create. Okay, I'm going to show you when we come to that. Let us do this one, which has got parameters.
So how come?
Yes, I'm waiting for you.
The old delphi, so if you hadn't saved on the side it was yellow, and only saved, it only became green if you saved. What's the average or average?
Okay, now the F average field, we are not going to set it at runtime. So can you comment it out?
What or
This one.
F average? Right?
Yes, take it out. It is going to be calculated within the class. So we are not going to get any external marks for the average and assign it. They were going to calculate it. Save, then check for errors by running your program. So when you run your program, it will indicate this is the debugger. It is catching errors for you. All these errors are syntax errors. So you immediately go to the area where you have got an error and fix it. And then run it again. Sometimes there are some hints. For example, I've got a hint there. It says private symbol F average declared but never used. Okay, we are testing now. So it means everything is fine. Okay, let us go under constructor there. Say procedure. Actually, it's a function. It's going to be called from outside. Function toString. Does not have any parameters. Shift Control C.
No. Students.
Right. As a function, it must retain a value. It is going to retain a string type. Okay. Please put a comment every time you are implementing your functions.
Here we go. So can you just go up and to the function toString?
Okay, here's the comment I have put.
So can you just go up?
Okay, do you understand why we need this function? So you need this one.
I need the public one.
This one. Okay. Here is the top one. Function toString. Must return a string. Okay. Remember the difference between procedures and functions.
This function we used to display.
It is going to be used to display the student record. Okay. A simple toString method. All what it does is you just say a result. You assign it to the following fields. These fields.
It says
For now, select the first three fields.
it's I think really important. What?
So I'm going to take it step by step so that you see how we build a string. I have left out two fields. I've left out one, the average, and the record. Remember, to display the record, you need to look through those marks to display them per student. So I'm going to keep toString simple for now, but I will get back to it to improve on it. So I want a situation whereby I declare the surname of a student, name, and grade. Also put F average. Now, you separate the fields so that you've got nice columns. using a concatenator operator and #9. #9 is a horizontal tab, like that. In your exams, there are marks for separating your using #9. I'll give you marks for it. Okay. Remember, there is one field I'm not displaying yet. Even on the constructor side, we are not assigning any value. The record one. Let me give you the reason why. I have to show you that when you are assigning something to the record, or you are reading the record has got it has got 4 subjects, so you must loop 4 times to get the marks out of the subjects. So we are going to improve our string to have that functionality for each student to loop 4 times, then displaying the marks for each student, and then display the average. It will be an add-on on our next lesson. Right, here's a summary. What we have done, we created 2 custom data types, the class T student and the record T marks. We created private fields that we see there, and then 2 methods, constructor and then 2 string function. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you very much. You can save your work.